radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I sing along. It make me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wonder where they gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good time that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to them, and I memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once